What's up guys, Shane Starnes here with Droid Modder X. There are so many mods and customizations that don't even require root that you should be using on your Android device. I'm going to show you my 5 favorite right now. Let's go ahead and get started. Most Android devices have an LED notification light, but did you know that you can actually customize that LED notification light? You can change the color and even the pace at which it blinks. LightFlow is the application that I use to customize my notification LED. So as you can see here, you have all sorts of options. You can change the color of charging, battery, email, basically any application that is on your phone. So as you can see here for my Gmail, I have that set for purple. And then when Twitter notifications come through, I have that set up for the cayenne color or light blue there. Of course, you do have settings for each and every notification. Once you're in settings, you can also go in here and test it, and there is the blue notification light. So a quick dive deeper into settings, you can actually change the rate of the flash, you can change the light duration, and then you can choose to enable or disable the light altogether. The navbar can get a bit boring, but luckily you're able to customize it with the navbar apps application. You can go as minimalistic or crazy with this app as you like. You can simply just change the color of the navbar by clicking it on, and that will change depending on which application you're in. So right now I have an orange theme, I'm gonna have an orange navbar. If you would rather have a static color, you can check that here, and then you can go into the settings here and actually choose the color that you prefer. You can even show the battery percentage. You can show an image under the navigation bar, and you can just choose from their gallery. So we'll just turn on this little honeycomb image here, and you can see that it adds a honeycomb texture to your navbar. Snap Swipe allows you to access widgets and applications from a simple pull down of the notification bar. Like so, you see I have Chrome and YouTube easily accessible from any page in Android. So if I am already on a browser and I want to jump over to Twitter or whatever, I can just pull down the navbar and go directly to that application. Snap Swipe also allows you to add widgets to your navigation bar, which just gives you instant access to information that you might need on the fly, which is an awesome added feature. Volume Slider is an application that allows you to add a volume slider to your screen. Once you turn it on, you have some settings here. You can choose the number of edges, and you can also choose what volume your volume slider controls: media notification, ringer, alarm system, brightness, or off. So if you go to brightness here, you can control your brightness just by touching the screen, which is nice because that means you no longer have to go into your notification and pull down several times to change your brightness. So it's becoming the new trend in flagship devices to include these curved edges that you see on this Infinity display on the Galaxy S8. But if you don't have an LG G6 or a Galaxy S8, you can add those curved edges to your display. The way that you would do that is grab an application called Cornerfly. Now personally, I don't need it on the Galaxy S8, but this is the easiest way to add those curved edges to your phone. All right guys, that about wraps it up for this video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more content like this in the future. You can find more of me at droidmodderx.com. Follow me on Twitter at droidmodderx. Thanks guys for watching. Be blessed. I'll see you in the next one.